Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can search chats in your ChatGPT. So let's get straight into it. Right here, first thing first, you will need to be logged in into your ChatGPT profile. Then locate right here to the left side where you will see this um, sidebar. Now the second one is search chats. So this magnifying glass. Click on it and now you can search for your chat as you wish. So if you have them a lot, you will find them here what you have like so, and boom, here it is. Um, yes, you can basically type in what you are searching for if you know, or you can go here today, yesterday, or previous 30 days if you can remember when it was. So this is how you can search chats in ChatGPT. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.